What if your machine could print metal parts? Meet the Meltio Engine Laser Integration Kit, a flexible, cost-effective way to turn your existing machine into an advanced hybrid manufacturing system. Instead of working with traditional stock material, upgrade your existing machine. The Meltio Engine retrofits your CNC with cutting-edge laser metal deposition technology, where it's just as easy as pressing play. Why choose Meltio? Because it works with your existing setup, because it supports multiple materials, because it's a flexible, scalable, and easy to integrate with your existing system. Everything you need comes with the system. A high-performance laser head, touchscreen interface, control and cooling systems, material feeder, pre-assembled cables, tools, and training. Ready to print from day one. Integration is simple. You mount the kit, ensure laser safety, connect the systems via M-codes and I/O, slice your part with Meltio Space or your hybrid CAM software, and then print with confidence. From Mastercam to Siemens NX or Hypermill to Fusion 360, our software ecosystem works with tools you already use. Validated toolpaths, post-processors, and custom M-codes help streamline your process. With the Meltio Engine CNC, you can manufacture a wide range of components for various industries: aerospace, defense, automotive, energy, molds, tooling and dies. The applications go beyond traditional manufacturing methods, from repairing worn-out parts to creating geometries impossible with conventional methods. The installation process is completely reliable. Our global network of certified integrators ensure local support, fast setup, and custom solutions. That's the Powered by Meltio commitment. If you're looking to take your manufacturing process to the next level, it's time to integrate metal 3D printing into your process with the Meltio Engine Laser Integration Kit.